Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So I'm trying to decide between the Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus, both espresso machines. It's a tough call.
Yeah, those are both pretty popular. What are you looking for in an espresso machine?
Well, I want something that's easy to use but also gives me some control over the process, and of course, makes great coffee.
Okay, so the Breville Barista Touch has that touch screen, right?
Yeah, it does, and it seems super intuitive. It walks you through everything: grinding, brewing, and milk frothing.
That sounds user-friendly. The De'Longhi Dinamica Plus also has a touch screen, a 3.5 inches TFT1. It boasts 24 one-touch recipes, which is a lot.
Wow, 24! The Breville lets you save 8 personalized coffees, which is still pretty good. What about the grinder?
Both have built-in conical burr grinders. The De'Longhi has 13 settings, which gives you a lot of control over the grind size.
The Breville also has adjustable grind control, so that sounds pretty similar.
Okay, and what about the milk frothing?
The Breville has an auto steam wand that lets you adjust the milk temperature and texture. It's supposed to create barista-quality microfoam.
The De'Longhi has the latte crema system designed to froth both milk and milk alternatives. It even has 3 different foam settings.
Interesting. What about size and weight?
The De'Longhi is a bit bigger at 16.9 DX 9.3 WX 13.7H, while the Breville is 12.7 DX 12.5 WX 16 inches H. They're both around 21 pounds.
Okay, so size-wise, the Breville might be a better fit for my counter space. And what about price?
The De'Longhi is priced at $1,250, while the Breville is $799.95 on discount. Is price a factor?
Definitely. The Breville is significantly cheaper.
True, but the De'Longhi has that smart one-touch system that learns your preferences and lists your most used drinks first.
That's a nice feature, but I'm not sure it's worth the extra money.
Yeah, plus the Breville has a faster heat-up time, only 3 seconds.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Breville. The price, size, and ease of use seem like a good fit for me. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.